If you're in charge of marketing at your financial firm, but you're feeling stuck or your plate feels like it's overflowing, this video is for you. So, by way of introduction, my name is Brooks Dyroff. I'm founder and CEO of Money Marketers. We specialize in email marketing for financial service firms to drive leads, increase conversion rates, reduce churn, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Within the financial space, we work with banks, asset managers, wealth managers, funds, fintechs, startups, and investor relations professionals at public companies. We've worked with JP Morgan, SoFi, Empower, Benzinga, Griffin Asset Management, Ultra Wealth Advisory, you name it. We've worked with funds trying to reach more accredited investors. We've worked with startups looking to raise capital. We've worked with public companies trying to reach new shareholders. We've worked with asset managers and wealth managers looking for more clients to increase their AUM. The bottom line is that we've worked with a lot of clients ultimately looking to do a couple of things. The first is generate qualified leads. This could be new clients if you're an asset manager. This could be new users if you're a retail investing app or a fintech company. This could be new investors if you're a fund, a startup, or a public company. The second is to increase the conversion rate of these leads so your marketing dollars are more efficient and the sales cycle is faster. And then the third is to retain these leads and now customers so that they're happy. They don't leave you for your competitors. And ultimately, they invest more at your firm, your fund, or your investing app. The problem for most of our clients is that they're understaffed and quite frankly, they're inexperienced. Most of the time, our clients have small marketing teams and their to-do list is insane. It's overflowing. So they feel completely overwhelmed. A lot of times our clients have tried to handle email and content marketing themselves, but they don't have the correct framework in place. So a daily newsletter turns into a weekly newsletter, which turns into a monthly newsletter before it stops altogether. And it's just not even going out. A lot of our clients have tried to work with independent and individual freelancers only to find that these people do not have proper finance backgrounds in place. They don't know lingo, vernacular that's necessary to make their content feel authentic. And half the time, these people don't even show up. And then lastly, our clients need a provider that understands the compliance aspect of the financial space. So I'm here to tell you that's exactly why we built Money Marketers. In fact, Money Marketers solves all of the problems above. We have a team of experts dedicated to taking valuable marketing tasks off your plate so you can focus on bigger picture items. As a result, your weekly email newsletter will stay in a weekly email newsletter. No more missed emails or blog posts that should have gone out. Moreover, because we've worked with major clients and have a track record in place now, we know what works and what doesn't. So we'll save you valuable time and resources. And lastly, and somewhat most importantly, and even though it's the most boring aspect of the entire operation, we understand the compliance space. We work directly with compliance teams for our clients that removes the headache from your plate. So I want to talk quickly about two case studies that are near and dear to my heart, and then we'll wrap it up. The first is our own newsletter. That's right, we practice what we preach. In fact, part of the reason that we have the email marketing skill set in place is that we have done this for 4 to 5 years now. In 2019, I bought the Street Sheet. At the time, it had 5,000 subscribers on it, and it was being published one time a week. Fast forward to today, we now have 160,000 subscribers on the list, and we publish 7 days a week. This is a healthy six-figure brand for our company that we've grown organically, completely bootstrapped. We've taken what we learned from building the Street Sheet, and we help our clients upgrade and perfect their own email and content marketing. So that brings me to my second case study that's, again, near and dear to my heart, which is SoFi. In 2019, we helped SoFi create a content bundle that included promoting their email newsletter, producing it. We built them a daily podcast and an Alexa skill. At the time, there were low tens of thousands of subscribers on the list. By the end of 2024, the email newsletter had millions of subscribers and the podcast had over 1 million downloads. More importantly, the newsletter was driving massive business growth for SoFi in the form of direct deposits, investment activity, and more. You name it. It was incredible to see the attribution from people who were opening, engaging with the newsletter to tangible results, getting mortgages, refinancing student loans. It was simply incredible. So end of the day, look, I'm just going to be point blank with you. You're dead in the water if your company isn't producing relevant, interesting content. And this is especially true if you're trying to attract younger generations. You want to make sure that you own your audience as well, which is why we're extremely bullish on email. A lack of content is going to lead to a lack of action from your existing clients and a lack of inbound activity from new leads. So in today's digital world, high quality content is truly the most essential revenue driver for any financial service firm, fintech, individual advisor, public company, startup, fund, you name it. So long story short, if you're tired of juggling content and email marketing on top of everything else, here's what we can do for you. We take content marketing off of your plate. We write high quality, compliant content that speaks to your audience's unique language, their desires. It solves their problems and positions you as the solution. And we do it in a way that drives measurable results so you can focus on strategy and hit your goals. Again, if you're in the financial service space, you work at a bank, an asset manager, a fund, startup, fintech, public company, you are on the marketing team, you feel overwhelmed, we can make your life easier. So I would say schedule a call with us today. We'll walk through exactly how we can help you hit your marketing goals for 2025, and we'll be a great partner for you going forward. Looking forward to speaking to you soon.